Hermes Agent is the self-improving AI agent built by Nous Research. It has a closed learning loop, it creates skills from experience, improves them during use, and builds a model of who you are across sessions. With over 211,000 GitHub stars, it's one of the most popular AI agents. It runs on a $5 VPS, a GPU cluster, or serverless infrastructure that costs nearly nothing when idle. Hermes works across Telegram, Discord, Slack, WhatsApp, Signal, and the command line, all from a single gateway process. You can switch models anytime with a single command. The skills system is the heart of Hermes. After complex tasks, it autonomously creates reusable skills. Skills self-improve during use when found outdated. The memory system includes session search, persistent notes, and a user profile that deepens over time. Hermes has over 40 tools including terminal access, file operations, browser automation, web search, vision analysis, image generation, and MCP server integration. It can spawn subagents for parallel tasks and schedule recurring automations. To get started, run the one-line install command. Then simply type Hermes to begin a conversation. The first time you use it, the setup wizard walks you through everything. Find Hermes Agent on GitHub at Nous Research/Hermes Agent.